To set up a simple CRM for your freelance work, the first thing you need to do is understand exactly what a CRM is. It's a tool to keep track of your clients, your conversations with them, and all the tasks involved in maintaining those relationships. A CRM makes managing your freelance business easier, whether you're working with one client or several. Start by choosing a CRM tool. There are tons of options out there, but for this video, I'll walk you through setting it up on a simple, user-friendly software that I've tried, and it's honestly one of the easiest to use. I'll leave a link for an exclusive free trial in the description below, so you can follow along and try it out yourself. Once you have the software, the first step is to add your contacts. This can be as simple as importing an existing list of clients you've worked with, or manually adding them one by one. Make sure you input all the key details: name, email, project status, and any other important information like deadlines and deliverables. Next, organize your clients into categories or stages. If you're working on multiple projects at once, you can separate them by project type or current stage. For example, you could have categories like prospects, active clients, and completed projects. This helps you stay organized and easily find what you need. After that, set up tasks for each client. Tasks are crucial to making sure nothing falls through the cracks. Whether it's sending a follow-up email or completing a task within a project, creating tasks within your CRM keeps everything in one place. Set deadlines and reminders so you're always on top of what's due. The next step is tracking your communications. A big part of using a CRM is logging conversations you have with clients. This could be notes from emails, calls, or even in-person meetings. Every time you have an interaction, add a quick note into the CRM. This will help you remember key points and ensure you never forget what was discussed. Lastly, set up a few automations. This is where the power of a CRM really shows. You can automate reminders to follow up with clients or send them periodic updates on the progress of their projects. Automation saves you time and ensures that clients don't feel neglected, even if you're juggling multiple jobs. Before we wrap up, remember that I've set up an exclusive free trial of the software for you, so you can follow along. Don't forget to grab it in the description below. To sum up, when setting up your CRM for freelance work, first choose a CRM tool that's easy to use. Then add your clients and organize them by categories. Set tasks and reminders for each project, track your communications, and set up automations to keep everything running smoothly. Key takeaway: the right CRM will help you stay organized, never miss deadlines, and provide a professional experience for your clients. Setting it up doesn't have to be complicated, and it can make all the difference in managing your freelance business. Lastly, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below and start simplifying your CRM today.